Members, today I rise to adjourn in the memory of Rhonda Meister, a constituent and colleague who was best known as the executive director of the St. Joseph Center, a highly regarded homeless service agency on the west side of Los Angeles. Rhonda was born in 1949 and upon graduating from high school entered the Sisters of Providence, later receiving her BA from Newton College of the Sacred Heart. As a sister, she served as a hospital case manager and later on staff at Catholic Charities in Boston before leaving the community in 1982. And after completing her Master's of Divinity, Rhonda moved west. In Los Angeles, she first worked at the House of Ruth before joining the staff at St. Joseph Center in Venice as a case manager, and then in 1986, she was named its executive director. For the next 22 years, Rhonda led the center with commitment, enthusiasm, and inspiration. Under her leadership, the agency grew from a grassroots effort of 12 staff members in a Rose Avenue storefront to an agency employing more than 100 staff, providing educational, social, vocational, and mental health services from 8 locations on the west side. Additionally, Rhonda served on the board as chair of the West Side Coalition on Hunger and Homelessness and the advisory board of the Los Angeles Homeless Services Authority, LAHSA, among other worthy causes. Among her legacies was the establishment of Bread and Roses Cafe, a full-service restaurant serving adults and families without homes, and additionally providing training in culinary arts to low-income workers. In conjunction with her leadership at St. Joseph Center, Rhonda was also a respected advocate who worked to establish effective public policy and raise public awareness of the needs of our low-income, disabled, and unhoused neighbors. I was fortunate to have the pleasure of working closely with Rhonda for a number of years while I served on the Santa Monica City Council. As the executive director of St. Joseph Center, Rhonda was instrumental in developing innovative housing and homelessness policies that helped shape Santa Monica policy and in surrounding areas. Rhonda passed away on June 15th after a long battle with cancer. While her husband preceded her in death, she's survived by her daughter Mahala, her brother and sisters, and their extended families. And I ask that we adjourn the memory of Rhonda Meister.